Hi, my name's Hannah and I work for J Parker's. I'm going to give you some tips on how to introduce more birds to the garden. Firstly, the best thing that you can do is plant flowers or shrubs that produce seeds or berries. So some examples of those would be sunflowers for the seeds, and then pyracantha, cotoneaster, and then even roses, which are great for the hips in the autumn. Just as it's going a bit dark and horrible outside, the birds can feed on those. So another thing that you can do is to have as many bird feeders as possible in your garden and to keep those topped up throughout the season with seed. You could have bird baths as well, or dishes with water in if you keep them topped up with water, and in the winter try and make sure that they don't freeze over. And you can also include some nest boxes as well to create little spots of habitat for them. And remember, if you encourage birds to come to visit your garden, that will keep slugs, caterpillars, larvae, beetles down to a minimum, so it's a win-win for everybody really.